Welcome to solverfy.
So this question is asking us to give any two examples of a saturated hydrocarbon and then to determine the number of atoms bound to a carbon in each saturated hydrocarbon. So first, it's important to understand what a hydrocarbon or a saturated hydrocarbon is. And it's a substance that has only single bonds, so no doubles or triples, and each carbon is essentially maxed on bonds. So to give an example of this, I'm going to just say ethane is an example of a saturated hydrocarbon. The formula for ethane is C2H6, and it's basically two carbons that are bound together and then each to three other hydrogens. If you wanted to get a little fancier, though, you could say that pentane, which is a saturated 5-carbon chain, where we have 5 carbons and 3, 6, 10, 12, is bound together. So that's another example. And so what you'll notice in each of these molecules is that the carbon is bound to 4 atoms in every case. So in this instance, in ethane, each carbon is bound to itself and then 3 other hydrogens. Similarly, in pentane, we have each carbon bound to the carbon next to it, as well as 2 to 3 hydrogens. So in a saturated hydrocarbon, each carbon has 4 single bonds. So for this question, you need to have 2 examples, either mine or your own, and then you need to also acknowledge that each carbon has 4 single bonds attached to it.